Good morning, students. Again, I welcome you to the 10th standard class. So, on that day, we stopped there. On that day, we stopped when Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Up to this formula we studied. In this formula, Tn means nth term. Tn means nth term. A means Tn means nth term, A means beginning number, N means number of terms, T means common difference. So these are the terms which are used in this one. So based on this formula, let us solve some exercises here. So exercise number 1.1. Exercise number 1.1. In this 1.1, first main is the activity, that is the question which is here. I will say, in which the following situations does the first list of the numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? It means here they have given here 4 situations. In the 4 situations, whether the 4 situations makes an arithmetic progression or not asked here. So the first question is here, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. This is the question. So whether if you write these numbers in sequence form, whether this makes an arithmetic progression or not is asked here. So try to understand the question. The first term is here A. So first term is here A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like this dash dash dash. A is here 15, 15 plus 8, 15 plus 2 into 8, 15 plus 3 into 8. It means here 15, 15 plus 8 means here 23, 15 plus 16, 15 plus 24. It means here 15, 23, 31, 39. See, the common difference here between these three is here equal. Therefore, the common difference is between the terms is here equal. Here you see 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 is equals to 8. In the same way, 31 minus 23 is equals to 8. 39 minus 31 is equals to 8. So common difference is here fixed. D is fixed. Therefore, this is an AP. So first question is AP. First statement says that one is in AP. Okay. In the same way, I will say, I will give here the again one, that one, again next one. Fourth one. This is first one, fourth one. Second and third one you only do. You only try in your home. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. So principal amount is here 10,000. Compound interest rate is here 8%. So whether this is an AP or not, they ask here. So compound interest, if you have the compound interest idea, you can say here this one as the AP or not. Compound interest means what? Compound interest means the interest calculated on the principal plus the simple interest. Sorry, principal plus the interest. First year for the first year. Again for the second year, principal plus simple interest. It means here that simple interest varies year by year. Therefore, this is here like this becomes 10,000, comma 10,800, comma, and then the amount is calculated on this one. Interest is calculated on this one next year, and then the amount of interest is calculated on this year next year. So it becomes more. It becomes more. It means the difference is here. The difference is here differs. So this is not an AP. So understood, I think. First one is AP. Fourth one is not AP. Not an AP. So try to solve other two sums in your home. In the next class, we will start the next main.